Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete client in your FreshBooks account. So first of all, obviously we have to log in, and once we log in we see there is a couple of options on our left side. Second is client. You probably already know that because you created that client, or someone from your team did. So we're gonna click on clients, and at the moment we have only two, which is MyRocket from Rocket Company and this mishmash that I created a couple of minutes ago, just to show you in previous videos how it's something done. I don't even remember. So we are gonna click on the client that we want to delete. And on the top right corner is a create new or more actions. With more actions, there are 4 options: edit client, generate statement, archive, and delete. And we're gonna hit that delete button. And we press OK. And just like that, even though we already created, for example, an invoice with them, we can delete it easily. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.